Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, we will go over how to create the survey if you have GCP. So we will use the site that we had created already. We will just use it here. We will create another survey in this site only. Let's say we create another survey called survey. Okay, you can just like put the time and date here and toggle it on. Go for the next. Okay, here similarly as in the last tutorial, you can just upload the images here. So let me just select a few. Okay, so I think I have selected only around to 41 images. Okay, so okay, here you can just click on next and it will start uploading. So let it upload. I will resume once it get uploaded. Okay, as you can see, this got uploaded. All the images that we put on the upload, it got uploaded. So as we have GCP, we will click on the manage all GCP. There are two ways to add the GCP. So either you can add it manually by just clicking add new row. Here you have to add the labels and just latitude, longitude, elevation. Okay, and the other way is to like import the CSV. So to import the CSV, so your CSV should be in certain format. To check the format of your CSV, just click on the download sample. Okay, and this will get downloaded. Okay, as you can see, the first column is the level of the GCP. So in the first column, you should put the GCP levels. The second column, you should put the latitude. In the third column, you should put the longitude of it. In the fourth column, you should put the elevation. So your GCP should be in this format. Make sure your GCP CSV format is this one. Otherwise, it will get rejected. So I will just import the GCP. I already have the GCP in this format. So here, all the GCP got imported. There is 8 GCPs. We'll just click on save all. Okay, and as you can see, all the GCP got here on the map. So 3 of the GCPs inside the crop boundary and 4 of them is outside the crop boundary. So for that, we have to select the images. So images, all the images that you uploaded. So select it. So when you click on that in it, you have to select the images on the local device. So just click it and select your GCP. So you can either click here and select the GCP, or you can just click on this flag and you will get the GCP. After that, click on it and mark your GCP. So to mark the GCP, you have to zoom to a certain amount. So see here the icon is like hand button, hand cursor. The cursor icon is hand, and once you zoom it to a certain level, the cursor icon changes to plus. So once you get the plus cursor icon, just click on the middle of the GCP and click on the save. So yeah, so just zoom it. Here the cursor icon is hand. Zoom it enough and it will change to plus. Once it gets changed to plus, click on the middle and just save it. Okay. So this zoom level is for the precision, because if you are not zoomed enough when you select that select in between, you kind of select too many pixels of it, which will affect the precision. So if you zoom to a certain level, it will make sure that you select only a few pixels. That doesn't affect the precision. So it's very important for the precision that you zoom it enough. Okay, we will just mark everything fast enough. Here it is. Zoom it and mark it. So as soon as you mark all the images of this GCP, the color of this flag will get changed. As you can see, this gets green colored. Okay. Similarly, we will go ahead and mark the other two GCPs also. Just zoom it and mark them. So there are certain precaution and the rules that you should follow to like put GCPs in your field. So GCPs should be spread out throughout the field, evenly spread out, and mostly on the edges and the corners. So make sure that there are GCPs there. Okay. Just mark it first. Okay. So this one also got done, and after the third one. So it's really good for the precision of the project that you have the GCP. Okay, so in this image, as you can see, there's no GCP. So make sure to delete those images. So whichever images you don't have the GCPs, just delete that from the list. Okay, zoom it front and again and save it. So here is the delete button of it. Just click on it and that image from the list gets deleted. Okay, save it. Yeah. So all the images like GCPs that were inside our top boundary got marked. As you can see, everyone is green colored. And four of the GCPs was outside the crop boundary. So you have to delete it. So like 1, 2, 3, 6, and 7 was outside it. So it was 1, 2, then 3, then it was 6 and 7. And we save it. As you can see, there are no GCPs outside the crop boundary. Make sure you delete those GCPs. Okay. And all our GCPs got marked. Okay. So yeah. So after that, you can just click on the trigger processing. Yeah. As soon as you click on the trigger processing, your processing gets started, and you will get the email of your processing getting started. Once it is done, you will get an email notification that your process has been completed. You can see it's processing. So that will be all for this lecture. So let me summarize it. Let me just summarize this GCP market. So you first you have to click on the manage all GCPs here, and after that you have to import your CSV, or you can add it manually. Your CSV should be in the certain format. So first column was let me just show it again. First column was level, second column was latitude, third column was longitude, and fourth column was elevation. So make sure your GCP is in this format if you are importing from the CSV. Okay. Once you have imported, just click on select images and select the images of that project from your local folder. Select all the images. And once the images got selected, just click on that flag and mark all the GCP. After that, click on the trigger processing. Once it is done, you will get the email. So thank you. This that is all for this GCP marketing lecture. If you have not subscribed to our media accounts, I will put the link in the description. Please do subscribe to it. If you have any query or any further help you want, you can just contact us. I will put the contact links in the description also, or you can just go to our website and contact us. Thank you.